Hello everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to this English video lesson brought to you by mainstreetenglish.com. In this video, we are going to explain, discuss, and practice using 4 common everyday idioms that don't make any sense. I love idioms. They're a lot of fun to use, and using them can really show off your understanding and proficiency with English. In case you don't know, an idiom is a common expression that's meaning might not seem obvious from just looking at the words that make up the idiom. That's because idioms get their meanings from the way they are used, and not from the words that make them up. Remember, you can like and subscribe anytime during the video to get access to more of my free English video lessons. Are you ready? Let's go. In this video, we explain, discuss, and practice using the following idioms. Clean as a whistle. Cold turkey. Gets my goat. Donkey's years. Number 1, clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle means that something is so clean that it's spotless. It can't be any cleaner. And with this idiom, clean can mean that something is physically clean or clean in an abstract sense, as in a record of something. Let's go over a few examples. Even though his car is very old, he keeps it clean as a whistle. My kitchen floor is clean as a whistle. You can eat off of it. John's work record is clean as a whistle. He's never gotten into trouble. After the judge's decision, the accused criminal left the courthouse clean as a whistle. So why doesn't this idiom make any sense? Well, whistles are not clean. You put a whistle in your mouth and blow into it, and all of your germs and saliva jump into the whistle. Ugh. This idiom actually refers to the clear or clean sound that whistles can make, not the whistle's physical state. Number 2, cold turkey. When the idiom cold turkey is used, it means to suddenly stop doing or using something, usually in conjunction with a bad habit. Let's go over a few examples. I went cold turkey and stopped eating sugary snacks. If all other attempts at quitting smoking fail, you can try going cold turkey. He quit drinking alcohol cold turkey. So why doesn't this idiom make any sense? I mean, what does a cold turkey have to do with stopping a bad habit? Well, this idiom is over 100 years old, and people had some odd ideas back then. One theory is that when someone tries to suddenly stop a harmful habit, their skin looks like a cold, dead turkey. Wherever this idiom comes from, it's an odd one. Number 3, gets my goat. When the idiom gets my goat is used, it doesn't mean that someone wants you to retrieve their farm animal. It actually means that something or someone is really annoying or irritating. Here are some examples. The way that she criticizes my work really gets my goat. It gets my goat when someone parks in my space. Don't let him get your goat. It's not worth your time. It's fairly easy to see why this idiom doesn't make sense by just looking at its words. What does getting a goat have to do with being upset? Well, this idiom came about from a way to calm down upset racehorses. To keep the horses calm and relaxed, their handlers put goats in their stables to keep them company. This calmed the horses down. So, if you say that something gets your goat, it means that you're upset and need a goat to calm down. Our last idiom that doesn't make any sense is donkey's years. Donkey's years. When you use the idiom donkey's years, you are describing a very long time. Here are some examples. I haven't seen him in donkey's years. He's been working at the post office for donkey's years. We haven't used that way of calculating costs in donkey's years. So, here's another animal idiom that doesn't seem to make much sense on the surface. How do you equate a donkey and a really long time? Well, some people think this idiom is a play on words. Donkeys have long ears. Donkeys live a long time. Ears sounds like years, so the idiom donkey's years was born. By the way, this is a very British idiom and is not used as often outside the UK. So there you have it, 4 idioms that don't seem to make much sense until you look a bit deeper. Do you have any questions about the idioms used in this video? Leave a comment and let's chat. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more free English video lessons. I'm Jason from MainStreetEnglish.com. See you again.